Today we would like to present to you the new laser contrast sensor KTML and the different methods for teach-in. The sensor offers two different sensing distances, 50 and 250 millimeters. In order to teach in KTML, mount the sensor in a distance of 250 millimeters from the object. You can use the following teach-in methods: static, 2-point, dynamic, external, or teach-in via IO-Link communication. Let's teach in this black print mark. We will use the static 2-point method. Bring the print mark into the light spot and push the teach-in button for 2 seconds. The yellow LED will start flashing, indicating that the second teach-in can start. Now move the background under the light spot and press the button again. The teach-in is successful if the yellow LED stops flashing. Let's detect similar marks on different backgrounds. Normally, the switching threshold is placed in the middle between the mark's received signal and the background. If you press the button again within 10 seconds, the switching threshold is placed closer to the mark. This feature is called close to mark. The yellow LED will blink twice, indicating the feature is selected. This feature is suitable to detect similar marks on different backgrounds with one teach. For dynamic teach-in, first place the object under the light spot. Hold the teach-in button for more than 3 seconds. The yellow LED will start blinking, indicating the teach-in process starts. Keep the button pressed. Now move the object between the mark and the background more than 3 times. Release the button to finish the teach-in process. The yellow LED will stop blinking. This indicates a successful teach-in. Dynamic teach-in is suitable for applications in which the machine cannot be stopped and teach-in must be performed while the machine is running. KTML works reliable with all marks and backgrounds. The sensor can even detect reliable on shiny background. Let's do this. First of all, KTML is adjusted to the print mark and standard 2-point teach is performed. After a successful teach-in, the print mark on a shiny background is detected reliably, even if the material is moving or contains irregularities. KTML can also detect reliably on shiny corrugated background. Teach the KTML as usual. You can see that the teach-in is successful when the sensor reliably detects the corrugated background. This is important especially in the packaging industry. KTML is also exceptionally suitable for applications in which the contrast difference is very small. For example, we have here a white target on a white background. Teach the sensor on the white print mark and then on a white background. KTML successfully detects the white print mark on white background despite the only small difference in contrast. The contrast sensor offers a long sensing distance and a small light spot. This enables the sensor to detect even small objects from a long distance. In addition to packaging and printing applications, KTML can be used in many other applications. This includes the detection of small parts in automotive or electronics industry. For example, in the automotive industry, KTML can be used to detect small rubber sealings attached to the automotive parts. With large automotive machines, the laser contrast sensor needs to be mounted further away. Thanks to the 250 mm sensing distance of KTML and a small light spot of 1.8 mm in diameter, KTML can detect rubber sealings from far away. For example, KTML can detect this rubber sealing on the parts easily. In the electronics industry, KTML can be used to detect small electronic components mounted on the PCB board. The contrast laser sensor can also be used in the electronics industry to detect different colors on printed surfaces, to detect different components, or to differentiate between surfaces such as hard disks, wafers, and others.